Another day, another round of iPhone 17 leaks. At this point, it's almost surprising we haven't seen someone boot one up yet. This time, we've got a fresh set of dummy models courtesy of regular tipster Sonny Dixon, spotted by McRumors. These dummies give us a solid look at the four expected models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, which is reportedly replacing the Plus, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, which might be rebranded as the Ultra. The Pro models have a particularly interesting design tweak, a new partial glass panel on the back. Dixon notes that the outlined area is where the glass will change. This lines up with previous leaks suggesting Apple is going for a mix of metal and glass, with the glass section housing the Apple logo and blending directly into the chassis, possibly aluminum. Now nothing here is too shocking, especially compared to the metal molds Dixon shared earlier. But these new dummies offer more details, including a clearer outline of the MagSafe chargers. And guess what? Even the super slim Air might be getting MagSafe. That's a surprising move if Apple is really pushing for an ultra-thin phone. On the design front, we're seeing some serious Google Pixel vibes. The Air model appears to have a single rear camera housed in a horizontal bar stretching across the back, much like the iPhone 16e. The Pro and Pro Max models are also expected to get a fresh camera layout, still rocking a triple lens setup, but in a new size and shape. This design shift has been controversial. Some love it, others are side-eyeing Apple's choices. Personally, I'm on the fence, but hey, change is inevitable. Of course, these are just leaks. Apple can always pull a fast one and surprise us with something completely different. But it's not just the design that's rumored to be getting an upgrade. Under the hood, big things might be coming too. For starters, the iPhone 17 front camera could finally be getting a serious boost. A new 24-megapixel sensor replacing the long-standing 12-megapixel one. Meanwhile, the Pro models might see an even bigger change in the camera department. Apple refreshed the ultra-wide lens on the iPhone 16 Pro, but this time, the telephoto lens is reportedly getting a major glow-up. Word is, Apple is swapping out the current 12-megapixel telephoto for a 48-megapixel periscope camera, which could finally bring 8K video recording to the Pro lineup. Powering all this, the Pro models are expected to pack the A19 Pro chip with 12 gigs of RAM, likely to support Apple's growing focus on AI-driven features. If that's true, we might see some serious advancements in computational photography, battery optimization, and overall performance. The iPhone 17 series is expected to drop this fall, most likely September, so we've still got some waiting to do. But you can bet the leaks won't stop anytime soon. So far, it looks like a solid upgrade, though whether the design is a hit or a miss is still up for debate. Either way, as tech keeps evolving, one thing's for sure, Apple isn't afraid to shake things up. So, what are your thoughts on these dummy models? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.